I'm going down this trail, and I got my baby with me right here. So what's gonna happen is I want to see this Asteroid function on the DJI Mavic Air, which I recently just bought. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me and show you what's popping with this. Let's get it. It's loud, huh?
Yeah.
No, but see, the reason why it's so loud is because it's smaller, so it's like going faster. But the bigger ones are actually more quiet. Yeah. Okay guys, initial thoughts. This is not the official initial thoughts, but just is really good. Everything that I've seen online that DJI said that this drone is supposed to do in quick shot mode, it does very well actually. I did adjust my settings on my yaw and my brake speed, which I'm gonna readjust because it's too slow. Battery life is not the greatest. You kind of have to make sure you plan your shots out properly and get it, because you don't have a lot of time, to be honest. I went through 2 batteries. Yeah. Thought I saw a fox or something. The quick shots, the Asteroid, I'm gonna check. The Helix, the Rocket. Some of the quick shot modes I tried and they worked good. So that's a good thing. You just have to make sure you're in a very open and wide space, because remember, there's no obstacle avoidance on the sides. Make sure you're planning your shots and your area out properly. But yeah, I'll give an official review. This is like my 4th time flying it since I bought it. And I'm happy, I'm very happy, so stay tuned.